Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dr. Wayne Dyer 101 Ways to Change Your Life series. Here we are with part 65. 65 parts in, man oh man. Can't believe we've made it this far. 65 parts in, and here we are talking more and more about these wonderful principles on how to change our lives. It's just fantastic. Cannot stress that one enough. Anyway, this part, last time we were talking a little bit about intuition, that kind of thing. And we're kind of continuing that with part 65 here, as we're really discussing this kind of inner knowledge. He's saying that we should not be so concerned about all these things externally, and now we should really focus on this loving presence within. Now, I think this is very true, because basically our reality is very much made of our thoughts, okay? If you close your eyes and you just like let your thoughts kind of flow through you, you'll notice that you have so many thoughts. You have like 100 thoughts every minute. And these thoughts are just hitting you over and over and over and over and over again. And when you have a more positive mind, your mind is still hitting you with a large number of thoughts. Maybe not quite as many, because fear tends to be slightly faster in terms of thoughts that it's like hammering you with over and over again than love can be. But regardless, you're going to have a ton of thoughts just flowing into your conscious mind from your subconscious mind. You're just going to have these thoughts hitting you over and over and over again. And those thoughts really begin to bend your reality, because you're constantly thinking about all the things you're doing, seeing, all that kind of stuff. So a lot of our thoughts really shape how we see our reality. They make like these rose-colored glasses around our eyes, or just whatever kind of color, dark, scratchy, old glasses around our eyes. And so we really see the world depending on our thoughts. So when we really change our thoughts into being extremely good, then the world can become wonderful if, it even isn't. Now, this is a fantastic movie. I cannot remember the title of it for the life of me. Fantastic movie, fantastic books on the topic of a father at a Holocaust camp who teaches his son how to be happy while they're at this camp that is just so awful. It's killing so many people. It's doing all these horrible things. Yet this father teaches his son that you can be happy in hell, kind of situation like that. And so it's not the camp that's really what matters. If you're in a Holocaust camp, if you're like in the most wonderful country in the world, if you're in the worst country in the world, what really matters a lot about that is how your mind sees it. Now, that's not to say that you're going to live a terrific life for sure in a horrible situation like that. But you can, is the idea. And that's pretty wonderful, the fact that you can live a wonderful life even if you're in hell, basically. Humanity has the possibility to live a fantastic life no matter the circumstances, because the subconscious mind can be programmed effectively so that we can see the world positively. So when we can really focus inwardly and understand that we can alter that we can change that we can make our lives better, then that really allows us to change our lives in a massive way, regardless of circumstance. That's about it for what I have to say on part 65 here. I will see you guys next time with part 66. 66. I will see you guys then, so stay tuned.